Hi guys, welcome to Recipes Mania. Well, we tried to make a video yesterday and well, we had some technical difficulties. So today's video is just going to be a teensy bit different. I'm going to describe you what we did. So first we took like a cup and a half of rice and layered that on the bottom. And the next thing we did was we crumbled up some bacon, and who doesn't love bacon, am I right? It was like a whole package, you know? And then we layered that, and then the next yummy part was 2 cans of Campbell's cheddar cheese soup. Oh my gosh, I love cheddar cheese soup. The next thing was 2 cans of green beans, which is my dad's favorite part. And then we took some Green Giant broccoli and cheese, and we layered that on top of the green beans. And finally, my favorite part, Louisiana hot sauce. Yum, 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 yum. And then we put that on top, you know, the Louisiana hot sauce, and we put that in the oven for 35 minutes. And as you can see, we kind of pigged out on it yesterday, so this is what's left. Alright, well, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.